Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great and I'm back with a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can permanently remove your Google account from your Android phone so without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. First of all, open Gmail. Then at the top right corner, click on your profiles icon. And then at the end, click on manage accounts on this device. Select Google. Now select the account that you want to remove. And after that, click on this delete option. Once again, click on delete. And that's it. As you can see that the account has been removed. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.